Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change seat in Etihad Airways. So first you need to add the all details, that is your detail where you want to travel. Once you done that, you simply need to click on choose your seat. Click on that option and click on add, and you need to wait for few seconds here until you will see your plane and you can select any seat that you want. So here you can see that. So this is the whole seats. So let's suppose if I want to book this seat, you simply need to select that and click on confirm seat. And now this seat is selected. And let's suppose if you want to change your seat, you need to go back, click on that, change, and I selected this seat. So now I want to select this seat. Click on confirm seat, and now my seat is changed. And click on update my seats, click on continue. So let me show you here. Once I click on here you can see that my seat is now changed from here to here. So this is the process that you need to follow to change seat in Etihad Airways. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.